Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add a featured image or main photo to your WordPress blog post. In this guide, you will learn each step necessary to showcase your featured image within your WordPress interface. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the site loads, take a few moments to locate the login button, which can be found at the top right corner of the page. This is where you start your journey into accessing your account. After you click the login button, you will be presented with several login options. For this tutorial, choose the option that lets you sign in with your Google account. By clicking on the Continue with Google option, you make use of your existing Google profile to sign into WordPress. You will see a prompt asking you to select which Google account you wish to use if you have multiple accounts available. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site, and the login process will continue automatically. With your account now active, focus on accessing your posts. Look for the navigation option that directs you to your posts on the website's dashboard. By clicking the posts link, you will see a list of your published and draft blog posts. This part of the tutorial is important because it gets you into the specific area where you can modify individual blog posts and add your featured image. After you've located your posts, pick the blog post for which you want to add a featured image. Click the edit option associated with that post. This action will open up your post editor where various modifications to text, layout, and images can be made. Now within the post editor interface, direct your attention to the area where the featured image settings are located. You will see an option that clearly states Set Featured Image. Click on this link to begin the process of selecting and adding your new image. Once you click on Set Featured Image, your screen will change to display options for accessing your image files. In this interface, switch your view to the media library so that you can choose from images you have already uploaded to your account. The media library provides a comprehensive collection of files and images that are ready to be utilized for your posts. Take your time to locate the image that best suits your content's purpose. After browsing through your available images, select the one that resonates with the theme of your blog post by clicking on it. This selection highlights your chosen image and prepares it for use as the featured image. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking the Set Featured Image button once again. This final click attaches the image to your blog post, ensuring that it will appear as the main visual element when your post is published. Through these steps, you have successfully navigated the process of adding a featured image in a WordPress blog post using a Google account for login. Each action, from logging into WordPress to confirming your image selection, is designed to make your post visually engaging and professionally appealing. Enjoy this streamlined process and continue exploring more ways to enhance your WordPress site.